Okay, this is People of the State of Michigan versus Delquest Thompson, docket number 20-930FH. This is the time set for sentencing. Mr. Thompson, you were convicted of having a pistol in an automobile. That is a felony punishable by up to 5 years in prison. And you have the right to an attorney, and you are represented by Mr. Feigelson. Mr. Feigelson, have you had a chance to go through the pre-sentence report with your client?
Yes, I have, Your Honor, and we have no corrections to the body of the report, Your Honor.
Do you have any objection to the scoring of the guidelines?
Yes, we do, Your Honor. OV12 was scored at 10, and we believe, and I do believe the prosecutors are stipulating to that it should be scored at 1, Your Honor.
Ms. Allen?
No objection, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, I've changed OV12 to 1. Did you have any others?
I did not, Your Honor.
Okay, so that makes the total OVs 11. Does that change the level?
It does not, Your Honor.
Okay, so he's still a D2, range of 7 to 23. There is a killabrew of no upfront jail.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay, did the people have any corrections to the report or other objections to scoring?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Did the people wish to be heard?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. Feigelson?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. I did have a chance to go through the report and the recommendations with Mr. Thompson the other day, Your Honor, and we would ask that those recommendations be adopted here today, Your Honor. I did go through with him the terms. He understands those and is going to be able to do his best to comply with that, Your Honor, and I would ask that the recommendations be adopted.
All right, thank you. And then Mr. Thompson, was there anything you wanted to say?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, Mr. Thompson, you certainly have the ability to succeed on probation. This isn't your first go-round, though, and I would just suggest that this is a relatively serious charge involving a weapon, and that you take this as an opportunity and to just sort of start over. And let's forget about the past and let's sort of make a new Mr. Thompson here. And there'll be some conditions of probation that I hope will help you do that. But I hope that you'll take it seriously, because this is an opportunity to change things. They're not headed in a great direction so far as just looking at, your past criminal history. So this is a great opportunity to say it's time to make a fresh start. And I hope you'll really take that seriously and take advantage of it. I am going to place you on probation for a period of 24 months, 60 days in jail with credit for 60 days served. You have to pay $130 to the Crime Victims Fund, $68 in state costs. I'm waiving oversight fees. Additional conditions of probation are that you must not use or possess alcoholic beverages or controlled substances, or recreational marijuana, or marijuana used in violation of the Medical Marijuana Act. You must comply with the requirements of both drug and alcohol testing as your agent directs. You must complete a substance abuse assessment if you are referred to that by your agent. You must complete outpatient or residential substance abuse treatment if your agent refers you to that. You must participate in an adult education or GED program as directed by your agent. You must complete the MRT program, waive confidentiality, and allow any program you're in to disclose information about you to your agent. And you must not engage in any assaultive, abusive, threatening, or intimidating behavior. You may not have any contact with anyone you know to have a felony record. Of course, you cannot possess a weapon while you're on probation. You must comply with the written and verbal orders of your agent. Let the agent into your home at any time. Submit to a search of your person or property without need of a warrant. Report any changes to your agent within 24 hours. And make genuine efforts to find and maintain employment a minimum of 30 hours per week. Mr. Thompson, you have the right to file an application for leave to appeal your conviction and your sentence in this matter, you're entitled to an attorney at public expense to assist you in doing that. If you're making a request for one, you have to make it within 42 days of today's date. We will mail to you the form that tells more about that. You should just know that the 42 days starts running from today's date. Also, you're now on probation, so please, within 24 hours, contact the probation department. They're not in person, but at 483-6100, your attorney can help to give you that number if you need to have it in writing, but 483-6100, and just tell them that you're checking in. They want to touch base with you right away, to go over the order of probation and anything else that they need to talk to you about. So
Okay.
unless you have any questions, you're all set. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck to you, Mr. Thompson. You're all set then. And
Okay.
that's all for the record on this hearing.